Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Content Planner in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube review statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have some suggestions. From here we have to go into the top left corner. Then we tap on apps. And then on the top, Content Planner. And here we have a calendar with our content and the dates that they have to be completed by. This way we can track our progress very easily. And yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.